Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both Modern Standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this like this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
لو عايزه توصيله تعالي اتفضلي اوصلك مفيش مشكله.
لو عايزه لا كتر خيرك شكرا.
كتر خيرك or كتر خيرك. So this means literally in English, may Allah bless your deeds or increase your deeds. So كتر from كتير, a lot, كتر to increase, and خير is from means good. So صباح الخير, for example, morning of good. So كتر خيرك, so I pray to Allah that Allah bless your deeds or increase your deeds. And for female it is كتر خيرك. So كتر خيرك for male, كتر خيرك for female. The nearest expression in Modern Standard Arabic to كتر خيرك or كتر خيرك in Egyptian is بارك الله فيك or بارك الله فيكي. Okay, بارك الله فيك, it means God bless you. And this بارك الله فيك is for male if you are talking to male, بارك الله فيكي if you are talking to female.
لا كتر خيرك شكرا.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.